Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Solution Lab. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Steam account step by step, easily and safely. Let's get started. First of all, open any browser on your device. You can use Safari, Chrome, or any browser you prefer. In my case, I'm opening Safari. Once the browser opens, tap on the search bar at the top. Type Steam and press Enter to search. Look for the official Steam website in the results. On the Steam website, scroll to the bottom of the Welcome section. You'll see a Create a Steam Account link. Tap on it to start the registration process. Now fill out the form with your email address, confirm your email, and select your country of residence. Click on I'm Human to complete the verification. This ensures that you're not a bot. Read the Steam Terms of Service and Subscriber Agreement. Check the box that says I am 13 years or older and I agree to the terms. After that, tap Continue to proceed. After this, follow the remaining steps on the screen. This may include email confirmation and setting a password. Once done, your Steam account will be successfully created. And that's how you can easily create a Steam account using your mobile browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Comment below if you want more gaming tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.